Hi guys, it's Cheetah Labs. My name is Fro, and today we're going to talk about really cheap, really undervalued collections that we can buy on an early stage. But I want to say for you that this is a huge risk to buy a collections like that, because here's the risk that you will not lose your money, but here's like the high chance that collection may be not so strong fundamentally because it costs under 2 Sol, and this is not so hyped, so people are not like buying it all the time, and maybe it will be kind of tough for you to sell it out if it won't work. So yeah, I warned you. And before this video starts, I'd like to ask you guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really helps me a lot now and in the future. And if you subscribe, you just sure that you won't miss any cool, interesting upcoming projects, platforms, collections, and all other interesting stuff. Let's go. The first collection, I believe the most interesting one, the most promising, the most perspective one, called the Cheetah Coalition, Cheetah Coalition collection of 2,222 cheetahs on the Solana blockchain. There is a staking, there is kind of metaverse, there is a staking and you can get a spot from it. The floor price is not so high. I've sold mine for 1.7 while I bought for 0.7. Now I'm looking for kind of rare or epic for 1.5, but I believe I won't get it because the floor price are growing again. I really like that the floor price are bumped from the 1.5. This is a very good sign. This is kind of long-term holding sign. Even I love they got a high volume, they got a lot of activity for the past hour. Yeah, we can see a lot of buying and selling. We can see that, yeah, high volume, and of course we can see that listing count is only 170, so people are really believing this collection, and it's less than 10% of this collection. This is nice. This is what you want to see in any collection. And even if someone will be like the listing price can just skyrocket to the moon. And again, as I said, they got kind of support on 1.5. They haven't gone lower than that. This is a very good sign. You can check their socials, you can check their website. What I really liked about them is that some part of their revenue will go to the help for the real cheetah in a real world, to help them. I think this is what we all love. This is what like everyone loves, these big cats, and we all want to support them, like, of course. The next collection is called Diggin Goddess. This is a derivative of Sol Gods. Derivative is kind of when collection are not connected to the other hyped collection. They don't have a partnership, collaboration. They're not connected, like no way they're connected, but they made just like it, and they just made like it and have a same visual and the same conception. But again, keep in mind that they don't have any connection with the Sol Gods. They're just their derivative. So Diggin Goddess for Diggins by Diggins, bringing more women together in the space. Stake and earn sand token, Diggins utility currency, so you can stake and get some money from it. This is cool that this is a woman collection, but again, be very careful with this derivative collection. Only like kind of one of them is good and 50 of them will be scam and raw, because under them they don't have any fundamental under them, because they only use this another hype collection as a marketing move, just like, guys, look at us, we just like them, while they're not connected to it like at all. I think this is one of the most promising derivative of the D-Gods. Yeah, and this is the cheapest one, of course, as well. They got kind of volume as well, and they got kind of some sales for past few hours. This is kind of cool as well. You can try to buy one or few with a good rarity and maybe wait for some pop in a nearest future. And the last one is the Cosmic Sentinels. Floor price is 0.78 now. They got a really good volume for just only like a few days, so it's kind of hyped collection. Average price is 1 Sol. They got some activity. This is not much as well, but again, we got some sales at the start. After the mint, they were pricing about 3.5. Solana, there is kind of red flags in this collection, cause you can see kind of same visual. They don't make kind of huge work with their visual, so I don't really like it. I like this visual at all, but I don't like that they don't have much differences. They got a lot of listed count in here. It's about 30% more than, yeah, it's about like 30% or even more of their stock right now are listed, which is not so good as well. But still, this is kind of hyped collection. They got a lot of volume. They dropped really hard from 3 sol. Their minting was only on 1 sol. I think this is still can work. They still can pump on some good news on launching their own metaverse, their own game, their staking, or something like that. They got a lot of activity in their Twitter account. There are a lot of activity in their Discord account, some kind of giveaways, PS5, Soul, Xbox X Series, and all other interesting things. So I think this is kind of for medium term. Maybe this is kind of a good decision, but of course this is not a best collection. And if you like, if all of your bank is 1 sol, do not put all of your money in it. This is very dangerous. Again, this is not my recommendation. This is not just like, this is just like suggestion for you to check out this collection. And if you really like them, if you like in love with their fundamental, you can try to buy it, only if it's like kind of 10% of your bank, because this is really risky and really dangerous. This is my top, guys. For now, I would love to say again, just do not buy it blindly. Do your own research. They are really cheap, but when it's really cheap, it's really high risk in there. Even, of course, even like mostly if you are don't have much bank, if you're low bank, just do not buy them blindly. You must be very accurate in collections you are investing, you are buying in, because you don't have much money, you don't have much space for your mistakes. Of course, if you have not a lot of bank, not a lot of Solana, you must be really risky, but you must be kind of clear risky. Do not like enter any collection that you've just seeing and you diving deeply in. Do not do that. Make sure you're not doing that. I hope you like this video, guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like button, and see ya soon.